Good morning everyone. In this quick video I'm going to show you Typhur, how you can get the latest discount, also how you can easily use the coupon to save money, and make sure you remember the coupon that I'm going to share. Watch this video if you need. Go to my YouTube video description, then you will see right now Typhur a special discount continue button like this. Click this continue button. You will see right now it will take you to the official website, and it will give you all the latest discount that is waiting for you. Now if you check out in the product option, you can check out all of the new product, and if you scroll down they will show you all of their product with the latest discount. And website last option, if you go you will see they will give you refer your friend, and you can see refer your friend. Click on it, open it in a new tab. You will see you can refer your friend and get 10% discount opportunities. You can see refer your friend and get 10% off in the purchase amount. Now let's say you don't want to refer your friend but you need discount, then what you have to do is you have to use this special coupon. The coupon is SAVE10. You will instantly get 10% off. Also if you use this coupon you will get $100 off. The coupon is DMAFF10. Also you will get 10% off if you use this coupon SAVE10. Now let's say you need discount and you need all the updated coupon with cashback, then go to my YouTube video description. You will see a website like Top Cashback. Create your free account, and you will see after creating your account this search option like this. Just we have to search with this keyword Typhur and hit enter. You will get the cashback discount, 15% cashback. If you click this link it will take you to the official website, and if you buy any product from any of the category you want you will get 15% cashback discount. That you can see account and earning option. Cash out option, you can get paid this saving money into PayPal, Amazon gift card, Visa gift card. Also they will give you Typhur promotion, new customer 10% off, 10% off, $400 off coupon, $100 off coupon. Always you will get. So using the first discount you will get updated discount deals, and using this second opportunity discount you will get cashback with coupon. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, save money, and watch the video again, and remember the coupon to save money. Subscribe.